Just a short video on a bit of a lamp making mystery that came up in a lamp that I recently acquired. This is a Philips 100 watt reduced size A17, or what the Europeans call an A55 envelope 100 watt lamp, which is really too small for a 100 watt lamp. I mean, A19 is pushing it. I prefer personally these be A21. And you see that this being a Philips lamp, it has the symbol for Leicester. However, the Leicester Lampworks closed down in 2007, and this lamp was made in May of 2008. And you can see it made in Belarus. However, in another lamp, which I acquired at exactly the same time in the same lot, this General Electric lamp, the color of the ink is, or the paint for the etch is identical silica coat frosting, and even the typeface is the same. It's just that this has a General Electric meatball instead of the Philips shield. I mean, even the bases are identical. This lamp actually says where it was made. Also, this uses the Philips date code right there, August of 2008, so just a couple months newer. And it says right on the box, Estelano v Belarusi, so made in Belarus, and the address. Brestski Elektrolampovy Zavod. Brest Electric Lampworks. So, my guess, these lamps were both, well, I know this lamp was made in Brest, and this being effectively identical in terms of printing and various identifying features to that lamp, was also made in Brest. So if you come across any lamps that employ the 3-dot Leicester symbol that were made after 2007 when this Lampworks closed down, now you know where they were made. And I even added it as an addendum to this particular document, at least the one that I have in my possession. By the way, if you're wondering where I got this, this is from the documents page on James Hooker's website, lamptech.co.uk. Excellent resource for collectors, regardless of whether or not you're starting out, or if you're like me, you've been doing it for almost 2 decades.